To install the Keller Williams Command WordPress plugin, the first step is going to be checking your inbox. You're going to want to look for this email, your new KW Command WordPress plugin. In this email, you're going to find your install token and a link to download the plugin. So let's click on this button, and you'll see the first sentence here is to download the zip file. So let's go ahead and click on that to download it, and it has downloaded to our computer. The next step, we're just going to log in to our WordPress website, and once you're logged in, you're going to want to go under plugins, and right up here at the top or here on the left, click add new. Once you're here, you will see this upload plugin button at the top. So let's go ahead and click on that, and we're going to choose the file from our computer that we just downloaded, and we're going to click install now. Let that load for a minute, and you should see this activate plugin once it's successful. So let's go ahead and activate that. So now that it's active, and you can just confirm here that we're in installed plugins, and we see that Keller Williams Command is active, we're going to look under settings, and you will see Keller Williams Command under settings now. So once you're here, we'll just be asking for the connection token, and you can find that again right here from the email. So if you want to just go ahead and copy that, come back over here, we're going to paste that in, we're going to click connect now, and once that is successful, we should see this status is connected. And that is it, and it is installed, and it is now running.